Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the correct app target and bundle identifier in Xcode so you modify the right app. Next, prepare a 1024px master icon and export each required size for 1x, 2x, 3x. You need PNGs without alpha because iOS rejects transparency. Once done, open your asset catalog and add a new app icon image set. Make sure you select the target membership, so Xcode includes the set during builds. You now populate the app icon slots inside assets. Xassets, dragging each prepared PNG into its exact size and scale slot. Be deliberate. Match idiom and scale labels because mismatches produce blurry or omitted icons. After placing files, inspect the catalog for warnings and confirm the build target checkbox remains selected. If a slot is missing, generate the missing resize using your design tool or a script. This prevents runtime fallbacks to default icons. You finish by cleaning the build folder and rebuilding the app so Xcode packages the new icons. Install on a device and in the simulator. Importantly, uninstall any previous app version to avoid cached icons. If the icon still doesn't update, check that the app icon name in your target's asset catalog settings matches the set name, and verify each image's file name, format, and target membership. One key troubleshooting tip: if icons appear blank or default, confirm there is no alpha channel and that all required sizes are present.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.